52. Let's talk about love. In 1 Corinthians chapter 13, we read all about love. Love is patient. Love is kind. You've heard it before. Paul tells us, even if I have the gift of prophecy and I understand all mysteries, if I have enough faith to move mountains and I don't have love, I'm nothing. Love is the greatest gift. And we read that. But the interesting thing here is that the word love is used in many other translations. But in the King James Bible, it's written charity. And this is because love in our language today can often be taken as simply emotion. But charity is the work that goes into love. It's what you do for one another. It's the action behind love that proves it. So later Jesus tells us, by the way you love each other, they'll know you're my disciples. So the true test is not, are you saved? Have you given your life? Yes, this is important. But the true test is, how do you love each other? And that love is not an emotion. That love is the work that goes behind it, the work that goes into it, the demonstration. So Group 52 this week, to those around you, don't just say I love you. Put the work in to prove it. Because the way you love one another shows that you are a follower of Jesus Christ. So God bless you and have the best week of your life.